What's up, YouTube? It's Some Dude's Review. Today we're going to be talking about the Mercurial Superfly Vs. We're going to be doing an unboxing, and we're also going to be doing a look around of the shoe. Y'all enjoy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, cause I don't fucking care.
Alright, now we're going to get started with the unboxing portion of this video. Obviously it's just a regular orange Nike box, but let's take a look inside. So right off the bat, we have the Nike Mercurial Superfly 5. Get the other cleat out. One more thing. Alright guys, I guess the first thing we're going to talk about is the string bag. So here's the bag. Looks like it has the same design as the shoe does. It says the name, also this little Nike stripe. Alright, get that out the way. Alright, now we're just going to be taking a look around at the shoe. So we just need one for that. Alright. Nice Mercurial border right there. Neon yellow Nike stripe. It's crimson orange. This pinkish purple colorway looks real nice. I don't know if you can see, but if you look real closely on the rib, looks like there's actually some built pink into the rib right here. So it's like right in here it's orange, and a little bit of pink, and then the black rib. It's really hard to see on camera, but really different, really weird. This is a new design, obviously from the Superfly 4. They're calling this a 3D rib. You can listen to my finger, you understand why. Feels really good. If you look down here, you can see some Nike Flywire. This is a Flyknit upper with a clear NikeSkin over it. Here's the bottom of the sole plate. These chevron neon yellow spikes. They did away with the carbon fiber sole plate. Now it's just a hard plastic. They're saying that the Superfly 5 is 30% lighter than the Superfly 4. Also, another big thing that they're supposed to be fixing is the comfortability of the cleat. The sock is made out of a different material this time. Seems to be more of a thick sock-like material. Seems to be more padding down here on the heel. We are going to be doing a play test and review of this cleat. Take one more look around. This also comes with ACC, all conditions control, acting as your wet element. Feels really nice in hand, really light. I think this is going to be a major improvement over the Superfly 4. But we won't know till the playtest. So subscribe and like. And we'll see you soon with the playtest and review. Bye-bye, YouTube.